Hey everybody, this is Joe Burnich with BigWestMarketing.com. We help home service businesses with their web design and SEO. And in this video, I want to show you how to get a free QR code directly from Google in order to get Google reviews from your customers. Let's get started right now. Okay, so here we are at the Google screen. Now, in the past, I made a video on how to get a QR code from a third-party company, but you know, these third-party companies, sometimes they change their policies and they try to upsell you. It just is kind of cumbersome and it's not that easy. Now, Google has made it 10 times easier. They are wanting you to get reviews on their platform. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Like I said, this is brand new in 2025. So first, just make sure you're logged into your Gmail account or the account that you use to set up your Google business profile. So I'm at Google right now, I'm logged in. I'm gonna type in my business name, Big West Marketing. Now, once I'm at this screen and you can see I can make all the edits to my Google account, I'm gonna click on this little icon that says Ask for Reviews. Now, this is brand new. You didn't see this before. Before you saw this review link, but now you see this QR code. And it even gives you instructions. Right click and select Save Image As. So I'm gonna do that. Save Image As. It's gonna allow me to download that. Now you can see I've got this little image here. Now I can take this to my printer. I can put this on my business cards. I can make a separate little card and I can give this out to all my customers. I can just print this out onto a piece of paper and I can give that paper to customers. It's making it easier for people to scan this with their cell phones, and it'll take people directly to where they can leave a Google review. Remember, they have to be logged into a Gmail in order to leave a review. But like I said, it just makes it that much easier for people to get to the point where they can leave a review on your Google business profile. And just remember, Google reviews are part of SEO. They're also important for just getting calls coming in no matter what. Very important. Google reviews are huge. That's why Google is pushing this. Once again, guys, my name is Joe Burnich. If you own a home service business and you would like a free consultation and would like to talk about your web design and or your SEO, let's talk. I will see you in the next video.